Yes.
Elmo wants to try the challenge on you, okay?
All right.
Okay. Are you ready?
I am.
Oh, okay, good. Do you like bananas?
I do.
Oh, you're good. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Oh, not blue?
It's pink.
Oh, you're very good. Let me see. Do you like Elmo?
I do.
Oh, well, thanks, but I'm trying to trick you.
I know, Elmo. I'm just really good.
Yeah, you are.
Do you want to know the goal?
Okay.
Great. Do you remember the rules?
Yeah, I remember.
I'm sorry, Elmo. I got you again.
Wow. You're sneaky.
I know.